The first thing I notice when I have formatting marks showing is that I need to put a space between the author's initials. Also notice I inserted a comma before the ampersand. This comma is italicized, and it shouldn't be. And this dash should appear as an end dash, which is a little bit longer than a hyphen. Now I'm going to check out this reference to make sure that all of the details are correct. The document object identifier should point me directly to this resource on the web. So I've copied and pasted it into a web browser, and I get back a couple of results that don't look right. So instead, I'm going to go ahead and try another method. I'm going to copy and paste the reference all the way up to the DOI, and I'm going to paste it into a site called crossref.org in their guest query area. This will hopefully point me to the correct DOI. Click search and scroll down for the results. Yep, that's the article I want. So now I'm going to copy that DOI. I'm going to go back to my Word document, and I'm going to paste it in a little bit differently. I'm going to paste it in using Control-Alt-V, which gives me the option of pasting it as unformatted text. Last thing I need to do is check the journal's pagination. This is so I can figure out whether I need the issue number in my APA citation. So I'm going to go quickly to the Auraria Library website, and in the Journals tab I'm going to paste that title of the journal. Oops, I hit another key. Let's get all that to go away. There we go. Alright, so I've pasted in my journal title, and I hit search, and I find the correct link, and I look at it online. I got lots of choices. I just chose the first one. The purpose of this is to check a journal issue that is not number 1 to see if it starts over on page 1. This one does not, therefore I can omit or delete the issue number from the citation. That's it for the first citation. Now let's look at how it would appear in text or in parentheses. First time in text, give both authors' names separated by the written out word "and", followed by the date in parentheses. With only 2 authors, this does not change for subsequent references. Parenthetically, it's basically the same, except for now you're going to separate them by an ampersand. And then comma, the year, end parentheses. If you're doing a direct quote, then what you want to do is add after the year a comma, space, p dot, space, and then the page number. And then end with parentheses and any punctuation. Time for number 2. Kind of scan the reference, and I see several things that are wrong. But I'm going to go ahead this time and start by looking up the journal, just to show you another way to get what you want. So I went back to my browser and back to the library website, to the front of the library website, and again I'm going to paste and search for the journal title. Going into the journal and clicking on the available online link. Okay. I want to look for a specific issue, volume, and page number. So now I'm going to click on the correct year and the volume, and I'm going to scroll until I find the article title, What Not to Wear. There it is. Alright, let's check out the author. And there's a DOI. That's convenient, so I'll go ahead and copy it. I did notice the page number was different. Just a little typo, so we fixed that. And now I'm going to put in the DOI as I found it. It could end up being the right one from before, but if I know for sure I've gotten it from the right place, I might as well just go ahead and put it in. And I did a Control-Alt-V again to paste in the unformatted text. Journal names need to be in title case, so I'm changing those. And the article title should be in sentence case. And I took out the November because you only include that if it's like a magazine or a periodical that's published monthly. Okay, changing the cases. Notice I did not change the case right after the column. Right after the colon. That should be uppercase.